Hello and welcome. Do you know what is the biggest issue you will face during your AWS exam or interview? Confusion between similar services or similar terminologies. Once this type of confusion will start, it will be continue until last question. We understood this, and that's why whenever we are creating any video, we are always carefully providing you all the details so there will be no confusion. But still, it is actually happening. And whenever we are realizing that these topics or these services can confuse you, in this case, we are creating separate video. For example, our today's video. We thought that, the main two terminology of RDS, like Readable Standby Instance and Read Replica, can confuse you. So we thought let's create video for this so all the confusion will be over. So here in this video, we are going to compare Readable Standby Instance versus Read Replica. Let's start. Hello and welcome. I hope you are enjoying our AWS series. We have big plan to add Azure series, even videos for each and every DevOps technologies. But for this, we want some support from you guys. You can support us by only doing two things. First, subscribe to this channel. And yes, only subscribe to this channel if you are thinking that these videos is actually giving you some values. It will help you to pass any AWS exam like AWS Cloud Practitioner, Solution Architect Associate, or even Solution Architect Professional. Second thing is, share these videos with other IT professionals. Learning process is actually not expensive. If you are getting better or proper instructor or a mentor, it will really help you to develop your skill. If you are thinking that we are providing you a proper right path to improve your skill, your friends also deserve this, right? And for this, you have to share this channel videos with them. So I am just requesting you to do these two tasks for me. One, subscribe to our channel and share with other IT professionals. Thank you. Now you can continue your video. First of all, I want to tell you from where we are getting this particular option. So, if you are going to create new database, let's say that I am going to create new database and I am creating MySQL database. Now here, when you scroll down, we have 3 deployment options. Now, if you choose first deployment option, multi-AZ DB cluster, it is going to create 1 primary DB instance and 2 readable standby instances. Now look at this here. We are creating readable standby instances, right? This is the first option that we are getting from here. Now, if you have your existing database, let's say that I have one database, it is a single AZ normal DB instance, and I want to increase read capabilities of this particular DB instance because now this particular DB instance is not capable to handle traffic. Now in this case, I can select this DB instance and I can go to the action and I will get this Read Replica option. We already discussed about Read Replica in previous video. If you are not aware about it, go and watch it. Now here the confusion is why we are going to create a readable standby instance or we should go with the Read Replica. All the confusion will be over because here I have 7 points that we are going to discuss right now. First of all, we need to understand purpose, right? Purpose of both. So here the primary purpose of readable standby instance. Now here we can say that primary purpose is because here it is solving 2 purposes. The first is high availability and disaster recovery with the automatic failover capabilities. when we are creating Readable standby instance using multi-AZ DB cluster, here we are getting high availability because Readable standby instance can become primary instance anytime if primary goes down. So here we have capabilities to become primary if primary goes down, right? Another use case or purpose of Readable standby instance is scaling read capabilities and offloading read traffic from the primary instance. Here, Readable standby instance is not only providing you high availability, but it is also providing us offloading read traffic capabilities. So now, if you are going to create Readable standby instance, this instance can handle read traffic as well, which is actually a good idea. If we are talking about Replica is only serving one purpose, and the main purpose is scaling read capacity and offloading read traffic from the primary instance. So, the main use case of Replica is not providing high availability. It is just used to improve performance of your database by offloading read traffic from the primary DB instance, right? Now, replication type. If I'm talking about replication type that we have in Readable standby instance, it is synchronous replication ensuring near real-time synchronization, right? So whenever you will write into primary DB instance, it will write same thing into the Readable standby instance simultaneously, so it is almost near real time. If I'm talking about replication type in Replica, it is asynchronous replication allowing for a small lag in data. It is not like a visible lag, but yes, there is some lag with the replication. Third, failover support. Now this is the most important part. Support automatic failover. The standby instance can take over as primary if the main instance fails. So let's say that if I have one primary instance, two Readable standby instance. Now if my primary instance goes down, any standby instance can become primary and the whole process is automatic. But let's say that if I have primary instance and read Replica, now in this case, it is not actually providing automatic failover support. Do not support automatic failover, require manual promotion if needed. So let's say that if I have primary instance and two read replicas. Now if my primary instance goes down, I have to choose one of my read replica and I have to promote it manually. Now when you are going to promote it manually, it will restart the DB instance, so it will take some time. So as I explained you earlier, the main purpose of read replica is not providing you high availability. It is used to provide you performance tuning, or it is used to increase your performance, right? Read-write capabilities, primarily read only in a standby mode, but switch to the read-write during the failover. Whenever your Readable standby instance will become primary, then it will provide you read-write capabilities. Otherwise, it is always read-only. Now same is applicable over here as well. Primarily, it is a read-only, used exclusively for read queries unless you promote it to the primary, but the process is manual. Location of instance. Now here we have big difference as well, and we can say that read replica is actually winner. So here I am going to provide you this detail. Let me close all this. Yeah, okay, see. Location. When you are going to deploy Readable standby instance, you are deploying this into the same region but another availability zone. So let's say that if my primary DB instance is in India. Sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.